Good morning, students. Again, I have come back. I think whatever the task given, you have done it and following my instruction. You are performing yoga and breathing exercise regularly. Okay. Now, on last Thursday, I have covered exercise number 5.9.5, question number 1 till 7. Is it? Now, I will start from question number 1 from 8. We have to finish it quickly. Thereafter, definitely I have a lot of extra questions for you. I have to complete that part also. Okay. So we have enough time. We will not go first. Okay. Now question number 1. Question number 1 part 8. Same question. You have to see the particular identities where it will fit, and using identity you have to solve it. Okay. Now question number 8 is minus a plus c into minus a plus c. You see, this type of identity I have not told you. So when you are getting this type of question, you will just rearrange. So I can write down this question as c minus a into c minus a. Now it is following a minus b whole square, where a refers to c and c refers to a and a refers to b. Understood my point? I have changed this position so that it follows a particular identity. Now that equals to c minus a whole square using a minus b whole square. Okay, using a minus b whole square, identity a minus b whole square. That means a square means c square, minus twice a means c, b means a, plus b square means a square. Okay, whatever the first part, it may be the numerical factor, literal factor, you treat it as a, and second part will be treating as b. After that you will write down what, so it will be c square minus 2ca plus a square. Any doubt? Now coming to next 9. So it is a rational number x by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. Fine. So same way, so it is a product of two binomial. Instead of multiplying following binomial, so I can write down x by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square using identity a plus b, using a plus b whole square. You know, where a stand for x by 2 and b stand for 3y by 4. Okay. Now that will be a square means a by 2 whole square plus twice a means x by 2 into b means 3y by 4. Now these two get cancelled, fraction form, plus b square means 3y by 4 whole square. What is coming after cancellation? Nothing is here, so it will be x square by 4 plus, is there any cancellation? No. 3xy by 4 plus, what is the square of 3y square? 9y square by 16. So by using identity, this big binomial product I have simplified very quickly. Okay. Now next is okay, 10. This is very simple type. 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b. Okay, nothing is there. 7a, first part is the a, second part is the b, a, b. So I can write down here 7a minus 9b whole square. So that means it is following using identity a minus b whole square. So a square minus twice ab plus b square. So a is the 7a whole square minus twice a means 7a, b means 9b plus b square means 9b whole square. So after multiplying, getting 49a square minus, what is the product of these three terms? 2 7 ja 14, 14 9 ja 126 minus 100, 14 9 ja 126 AB plus B square means 9 square 81, 9 square 81 and B square. Clear? So I finished question number 1, where I have used most of the three identities, that is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a square minus b square. Now next question, they are saying you have to follow particular fourth identity using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus ab plus x plus into x and this will. When they have mentioned you have to follow this identity, so you have to follow that identity only. Okay. Question number 2, part 1. Using, first instruction is using what? X plus a into x plus b. Okay. That equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. That identity you have to follow in each case. Question number 1 part of this, x plus 3 into x plus 7. So here x is x, a is the 3 and b is 7. So you will follow what? Directly using that identity. Already I have mentioned, no need to write down further, using x plus a into x plus b. So all the questions given in this instruction, you have to follow this identity only. So x square plus a plus b into a plus b. What is a? A is the 3, b is the 7 into x plus 3 into 7. So this identity actually it is called middle term factorization. So you have to apply when middle term factorization will do. Okay, x square plus 10x plus 21. Got it? Complete it quickly. Time to try to write down because you will not get time. So number 2, part 2, it will be 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. So in all cases, question that instruction is common. For all questions, you have to follow the same identity. So that's why I no need to write down here. So x is the, here x is what? X square plus a plus b into x into ab. So a is the 4x whole square plus a is, this is the a, this is b, and x is this part. Okay, so a is the 5 plus 1 and x is the 4x plus a into b. Okay, so what is the square of 4x? 16x square plus, if I add it, 6 4 ja 24x plus 5. Within 3 steps I have done it. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3. 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. Now here we have to see very carefully. So what about the identity is given? X plus a into x plus b, that equals to x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. Is there any minus sign here? No. Okay, but in question here a and b are negative. Then what I will do? So as per the instruction, you have to arrange the question. The same thing we have to correct its sign. How? 4x plus this minus 5 can be written this way. So a plus b, x plus a. Okay, this is x, this is a, into 4x plus in bracket minus 1. So x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b. Okay, so I have corrected its sign because in main formula there is no negative sign. So if any term present negative, how can I write down plus sign outside, minus sign inside? Okay, now follow it. X square means 4x whole square plus a means minus 5, b means plus minus 1 into x means 4x plus 5 minus 5 into minus 1. Got it? Be careful, the sign. A is minus 5 plus b is minus 1 multiplied by x. X is the 4x. First part is the x. Second part, this one is the a, this one is the b. Okay. Now what is the square of this number? 16x square plus in bracket. What is the plus minus? If I remove minus 5 or minus 1. If after adding I am getting minus 6 into 4x plus multiply, in case of multiplication minus minus plus 5 1 ja 5. Simplify further here. So 16x square plus minus minus 4 6 are 24x plus 5. This is the answer. Any doubt? You see, be careful this negative sign. In identity there is no negative sign. That's why I have made it positive. Plus sign outside, its own sign I have kept in brackets so that it can follow a particular identity. Otherwise I cannot do. Next question. Negative sign is there but not in both. Only one case. So question number 4. You see 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 1. So this is x, this is a and this is b. So using identity same, how can I write down? A square means 4x square. I am not writing the identity because at the beginning I have written, because all the questions given here we have to follow that particular identity. That's why I am not writing. Plus a means what? Plus 5, b means minus 1 into 4x plus 5 into minus 1. Okay, so after squaring I am getting what? 16x square. Now plus minus minus. So 1 subtract from 5, it will be 4. 4 into 4, 16x. Positive. Plus 5 is greater. So 16x. Okay. And plus minus minus 5 1 ja 5. Any doubt? Now next question, both are positive, you will not face any problem. 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y. So this one is the x, this is a, this is b. Are we clear? First part is the x common and a and b are the two different terms. So present, what we will write down here? X square means 2x whole square plus A means 5y plus 3y into x means 2x plus multiplication 5y into 3y. 5y into 3y. What I am getting? 4x square plus 3 5 is 3y or 5y, 8y into 2x. What will get? Right, 16xy. 3y plus 5y plus 3y, 8y into 2x. 2 8 just 16xy. Okay, plus 5 3 is 15. Y into y square. Got it? Now coming to next. Here now little bit different. 2x square plus 9, 2a square, 2a square plus 5. So what about the first term? Treat as x, this is a and this is b. So same formula, a square. X square means 2a square whole square. We have to consider 2a square as x. So x square, when you think about x square, that means whatever the term given, overall whole square. It may have some another square, does not matter, but we have to put square as per this identity. Then plus a means 9, b means 5 into x means 2a square plus ab. ab means 9 into 5. So what I am getting here after multiplication 4 a square and a whole square, though a raised to 4 in case of power is added. Okay, double power plus 5 plus 9 14, 14 into 2 28 a square plus 5 9 ja 45. Clear? Last one, 7 xyz minus 4 xyz minus 2. Again negative sign is there, we have to change the sign. So it is, we can write down this total part treat as x, this is a and this is b. Okay, then it will be xyz plus, because in identity plus sign is there and this one is the negative. Clear? And again second bracket xyz plus in bracket 2. So now you take this one as x, this is a, this is b. So it will be xyz whole square plus minus 4 plus minus 2 and outside bracket xyj plus a into b minus 4 into minus 2. What will be the result of this? xyz whole square means x square y square z square plus minus plus 4 and this minus 6 xyz plus minus plus 4 to the 8. Now simplify here only. So minus plus minus. I can do it in one attempt, but I have just given you a chance to think about these two parts. Okay, minus 4 minus 2 minus plus, but sign is minus. After that final result, this plus minus 6 xyz plus 8. Got it? So question 2 is finished. Now question 3, all the 4 identities, application of these 4 identities are here. Okay. Question 3 is saying find the following square by using identity. You have to find out the square. In 4 identity, what are the square is? A plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. When plus sign is there, you have to follow a plus b whole square. When minus sign is there, you have to follow a minus b whole square. So using identity. Okay. 3 part 1. b minus 7 whole square. So using, only you write down using a minus b whole square. So first one you have to treat as a, second one you have to treat as b. So a minus b whole square means a square minus twice a means b, and b means 7 plus b square means 7 square. So I am getting b square minus, what is this product? 14b plus 49. Got it? Any doubt? You will ask me. Sometimes little multiplication mistake is there. I have got it in previous video also. Students are sending me, sir, particular this one is wrong. So you can make out when multiplying and adding little bit. If mistake is there, you can correct yourself. But concept should be clear. Okay. Now this one is xy plus 3z whole square using a plus b whole square. When plus sign is there, a plus b whole square. When minus sign is there, a minus b whole square. So a square means xy whole square plus twice, a means xy, b means 3z plus b square means 3z whole square. When 2 factors are there, anywhere 2 factors are there, you must keep in bracket, otherwise the square will be only on y. Here also, if you are not putting in bracket, then square will be only on j. That will be a mistake, serious mistake. So after simplifying, getting x square y square plus 2 3 is 6 x y z, 6 x y z plus 3 is 9 z square. Got it? Write down your fair notebook. So you have to maintain your fair notebook. Time to time you will cover it. And if you are trying to do something extra, you will do it in a rough copy. Okay? Now question number 3. 6x square minus 5y whole square. Interesting. Okay? So this one you have to treat as a, and this one you have to treat as b. Minus sign means a minus b whole square. So using a minus b whole square. So I have to treat this one total. It is a and this one is b. 6x square together you have to consider as a. 6x square a whole square. Understood? A square. A means whatever present inside this. Okay? This is 6. Don't consider as b. Sometimes my writing is like this. 6. A square minus twice a means 6x square. B means 5y plus b square means 5y whole square. Now find out 6 6 are 36, x square and whole square. That means x raised to 4 minus, what is the product? 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 12 into 5, 60. X square y plus 5 5s are 25 y square. Any problem? Now coming to next, 2 by 3 m 2 by 3 m 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 2 n whole square. So this total part you have to treat as A. This total part you have to treat as B using A plus B whole square. Okay. So the A square means you can write down 2m by 3, no problem. By 3. Okay. After multiplying, getting 2m by 3 whole square plus twice A means 2m by 3, B means 3n by 2 plus B square means 3n by 2 whole square. You see this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. What is left out? Only m and n. 2m and n. So after squaring I am getting 4m square by 9. Plus after simplifying I am getting 2mn plus after squaring I am getting 9n square by 4. Any problem? Okay. Now question number 5. Same type. Question 5. Question 5. So 0.4 p minus 0.5 q whole square. So this one is A, this one is B. Using please try to recognize my writing. A minus B whole square. So A square means 0.4 p whole square minus twice A means 0.4 p twice. This time I am giving multiplication sign because decimal point is there. Okay, to recognize this you have to write down this way. This plus 0.5 q whole square. What is the result coming here? So if I find out the square 16, so 0.16 p square minus, what is the product of these? 5 4s are 20, that is 0.02 into 2, 20, 0.88, 44, 0.04 pq plus 5 5s are 25, 0.25 q square. You will try to multiply it properly, you will get this. That means 0.8, 0.8 and 5, 0.40 and 2 places decimal, 1, 2 decimal, pq. Clear? Last question is 6. 2xy minus 2xy plus 5y whole square. So A plus B whole square. This part is A and this part is B. Using A plus B whole square. Clear? So A square means 2xy whole square plus twice A means 2xy plus into B. B means 5y plus B square means 5y whole square. Now you have to solve. Square 4 x square y square plus, what is the product? 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20, 20x y square, 20x y square plus 25 y square. So trinomial. You cannot say these two are like, because you have x also, one factor x, that's why I cannot reduce faster. Okay, so I have finished question number 3. Question number 4 is nothing. Here you have to follow as per the simplified. So they have not mentioned which particular identity you follow. So as per the sign, if it is a plus b whole square, you follow a plus b whole square. If it is a minus b whole square, you can follow a minus b whole square. Okay, you have to do accordingly. Okay. Question number 4. So simplify. A square b square whole square. So treat this one as a and this one as b. Square, forget about square. So then a minus b whole square using a minus b whole square. So a square whole square minus twice a means x square, b means b square plus b square whole square. This total part we have to treat as a and this total part we have to treat as b. Then a square means whatever given that whole square, and b square this given whole square, and in between twice ab. A 2 into a into b. So what is the result here? A raised to 4 minus 2 a square b square plus b raised to 4. Clear? Now second question, whatever it is given, I can do it in two ways. So sometimes children are doing in two part. You can do in two way or one attempt. Okay? So try to understand the question. I will just solve in two method. I will solve in two method. So whichever you feel easier, you can solve it in the exam. But here you write down the both the method. Okay? So find out 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. If I consider this part as a, these two are not same because it's a positive sign, it's a negative sign. So this part as a and this part as b. So then using a square b square, using a square minus b square. In between minus sign is there, that's why a square b square. For your understanding, I am putting underline and writing something. You will not write. For your understanding, I am giving you this one. Okay, a square and b square. That means what is the identity a square and b square? When a square minus b square is given, what to do? A plus b into a minus b. That form you have to write down. So it is a means 2x plus 5 is all together is a, plus b means 2x minus 5, a plus b over, then a minus b 2x plus 5 minus, so it is positive. 99% students are doing mistake here, so it is positive. Now I am putting here 2x negative, so this negative sign will be positive. This change they are not doing. When anything we are going to write before minus sign, so if it is a positive, then and then next number after writing it will be a negative, the next number must be changed, sign change. Okay, now what is there? Minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled. Okay, here minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled. What is left out here? 2x 2x 4x. Okay, into what is left out here? 5 plus 5 10. That means 40x. So only in 3 attempts you can finish it. Clear? You can complete it in 3 attempts. This you should follow. Now another way we can do it, which I have to follow next question. That's why I'm discussing. Two part of question is here. This one you do first. Solve one part. Solve another part. In between the two part, the minus sign is there. You subtract, and after cancelling, you will be getting the 40x only. Okay. Second, same question. I'm doing it another method. Okay. Second. So 2x plus 5 minus 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. Okay. Taking first part. Okay. This one. So 2x plus 5 whole square using a plus b whole square. So it will be a square means 2x, 2x square plus twice a means 2x, b means 5 plus b square means 5 square. That equals to 4x square plus, what is the product? 20x plus 25. Okay, this is equation part 1. Taking second part, those who are facing problem while writing here, they can follow this method also, no problem. Second part, what is the second part? 2x minus 5 whole square using a minus b whole square, that is 2x square minus twice a means 2x, b means 5 plus b square means 5 square. So 4x square minus 40x plus 25. Second part. So what to do? First answer minus second answer. You have to write down this way. Therefore, first answer is what? 4x square plus 20x plus 25 minus, in bracket, second answer to 4x square minus 40x plus 25. Okay, open the bracket. You know this bracket opening rule. 4x square plus 20x plus 25 minus 4x square plus 40x minus 25. So minus sign was there. When removing bracket, sign changed. You see minus 4x square plus 4x square cancel, minus 25 plus 25 cancel. What is left out? 20, sorry, it will be 20x, not 40x. After multiplying, I am getting 20x. So 20x, so it will be 20x, and here also 20x. So 20x and 20x. After adding, I am getting 40x, which is matching with the previous answer also. So this is little bit lengthy, but is there one for those who are confused to write down a plus b into a minus b form? Okay, find out the first part, find out the second part. Why I am saying? Because other students also do the next question. Next question is same. I cannot follow the single formula. I have to split into two. This is, you see, 7n minus 8n whole square plus. Now I cannot apply a square minus b square. When plus sign is there in between, so I have to simplify the first part, and then I have to simplify the second part, and then what to do? I have to add the answer of the first part and second part. Here I have to subtract the first answer minus second answer. Okay? So you'll copy it. Question number 2. For question number 2, 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. So you cannot say a square minus b square because plus sign is there. A square plus b square. I have not given any identity. Though I have some other additional extended part of identity I have given for class 9. Application is not here. So you will not consider that one. Okay? So individually you have to find out the square. A minus b whole square. Answer. Then a plus b whole square. Answer. Then two answer you have to add. Nothing. So taking first part. 7m minus 8n whole square using a minus b whole square. That means a square means 7m square plus minus twice a means 7m, b means 8n plus b square means 8n whole square. Now simplify 49 m square minus, what is the result? 14. 14 8 ja 14 8 ja 14 is 108 and has 14 8 ja 112 you will check it plus this one 64 n square. This is part 1. Taking second part what is this? Taking second part 7m plus 8n whole square. You will check this multiplication whole square using a plus b whole square. So a square means 7m whole square plus b square twice a means 7m 8n plus b square means 8n whole square. What is the answer? 49 m square plus same 112 mn plus 64 n square. That equals to part 2. Now what to do? First answer plus second answer. What will write down? By adding 1 and 2. By adding 1 and 2 we get. So first one is what? 40 7 7 ja 49. We will check it time to time. 49 7 7 ja 49. 49 m square minus 112 mn plus 64 n square plus 49 m square plus 112 mn plus 64 n square. You see here after adding this question, so minus plus 112 mn minus 112 mn common, get cancelled. So 49 49, so 98 m square and 64 64, 100 plus 128 n square. Clear? Any doubt? Have understood? Okay. So This one I have done it. Question number this. Only one more question I will do, then I will finish it. Okay. Question number 4. 4m plus 5n whole square plus 5m plus 4n whole square. Nothing. Same. First part, second part. Taking first part. Taking first part. Taking first part, 4m plus 5n whole square using a plus b whole square. Right? A is the 4m, b is the 5n. So a square means 4m square plus twice ab means 4m 5n plus b square means 5n whole square. What is the square after this? 16m square plus, what is the product? 40mn plus 25n square. This is part 1. Taking second part. What is this? 5m plus 4n whole square using a plus b whole square. So a square means 5m square plus twice a means 5m plus b means 4n plus b square means 4n whole square. 25m square plus, what is this product? 40mn plus 16n square. Clear? Now by adding 1 and 2, same way. By adding first part and second part. So first part is what? 16m square plus 40mn plus 25n square plus, because plus sign is there, plus. Okay? Then it will be 25m square plus 40mn plus 16n square. Now you write down the like term serially. 16m square plus 25m square, 40mn plus 40mn plus 25n square plus 16n square. So what is the sum? What is the sum? What is the sum? I am getting 41m square plus 80mn plus 41n square. Understood? So remaining part I will do tomorrow. Okay? So till then, bye bye students. See you tomorrow.